So I just got off a phone call with Bill back at Mopar. Seems they would like us to build another car for them for SEMA 2017. The world famous Hellcat. They've now got that available in a crate engine. The Plymouth Superbird. They only made it for a few months. It was a 1970 model car. Now fast forward almost 50 years. The Hellcat engine is a small block and it creates 707 horsepower to the rear tires. So this is going to lighten the car up by several hundred pounds and increase its horsepower to the ground by at least 500. So this thing's going to be absolutely wild.
Ready?
Do it. Yeah! You know karate? I know karate.